How to log in ANZ Bank Online Banking. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search icon that you can see at top. Type in login.anz.com. Search for it. You'll be led to the official website of ANZ. Tap on the option Login. You can log into your account. Tap on the field of customer registration number. Enter your registration number over here. Now enter the password. If you have forgotten your login details, tap on the option Forgot Login Details. After you recover them, make sure to enter it over here. Tap on the option Login that you can see on the screen. You'll be logged into your account. Like this, you can log in ANZ Bank Online Banking. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.